Hi, Michael Cheney here with a quick walkthrough for you of Fast Track to 1 million. I'm going to show you what people get inside the members area if they get the basic program, which is a series of recordings from a live event I did. People paid $4,000 and over to fly into this event and get a ticket for this event where I shared how I made over $1 million in 12 months. It was recorded over 3 days. We had two camera guys, one at the left of stage, one at the right of stage. They also recorded the presentation on screen, as well as me doing the keynote presentation. Everything was recorded. People were absolutely blown away by it. But I want to show you the members area of what people get and also look at the bonuses real quick, and we'll go into some of the upsells as well, so you can see exactly what people are getting hold of. So let's dive into the members area right now. Okay, so here we are inside the members area, and as you can see, we've made everything very, very simple. So step one, attend the implementation session. I'm doing a live training for all the buyers, no pitch on this call, okay? It's basically training to help them get started, help them getting results straight away. Step two is access to the main program, and then obviously step three is access to any upgrades that they've purchased. So if we go and take a look, this is the main program, okay? Fast Track to 1 million. There are 7 sessions here. And as you can see, it's a combination of real video footage of me at this event. As I say, people paid $4,000 to attend this. And not just real footage, but also, here we go, we've got screenshots and slides as well, okay? Combination of slides and real screenshot footage of the slides. They also get an action plan, so they get to download an action plan for every session. They get the MP3 audio, and they can download the video as well. And there are 7 complete sessions, all of which are over 1 hour long. As I say, this was done over 3 days, so every single session here. And for each of these, they will have an action plan, MP3 audio, and a video as well. If they bought any of the upgrades, they're going to be able to see them here. So there's the Millionaire Accelerator, which is an in-depth training which shows them how to accelerate to $1 million. It's everything that I've learned, the most powerful lessons that I've learned doing internet marketing for 20 years, all condensed into a video training, again with MP3 audios, with the downloads, action steps, everything there. Content Empire, that is OTO number 2, which is basically a detailed, this is the first OTO, by the way, Millionaire Accelerator. You can get the video, the MP3 audio, the transcript, the cheat sheet. The second OTO is Content Empire, which is this. This is a multiple module training program, again with real video and slides and resources and action steps. This is something that people paid a whole bunch of money for, and I did live coaching on how to set up your own content empire. Blogging, getting ranked in Google, how to create content, how to create pages, search engine optimization, all that cool stuff. People really loved it, and that's OTO number 2. And that's pretty much it.